Hi guys, I made this video just to show some of the miniatures that I made before I started my YouTube channel. I just thought it might be fun for you guys to watch. This miniature was one of the first that I ever made from scratch, so this actually isn't a kit. And most of the things in there I made from hand. Some of the bottles and that I didn't, but otherwise pretty much everything you see I made from hand. That little chest there, that was fun to make. And yeah, I'm actually quite pleased with how this one came out. So this miniature, or diorama as we call that, was actually the very first miniature that I made from scratch. None of this is part of a kit. Everything that you see there, all the furniture, all the toy sets, all the frames, everything really, the chair and the food on the table and everything, as well as the table itself. And so I had a lot of fun making this, and it was really a good learning experience. I really enjoyed making those frames. That was fun. I made these newspapers and the little box that it's holding. I made everything you can see here apart from those, the jar with the little pebbles in them. But I made all of the books, and I actually made these 2 jars, which I will show in another video. And I made this aquarium. So it has been really fun, and I really enjoyed making this. This is my display cabinet, which I actually have a video of on my channel if you'd like to check that out. The next following things are some things that I made for my display cabinet. Now this is interesting. This is the first time I ever tried this. This was a kit that I had bought from Temu. I think it was about $6 or $7 at the time. And I converted it into this small diorama, which I'm really happy with. And we have that in our bathroom, so that's kind of fun. And this is where it really all began. I found this old magazine with this pattern of a doll's house, which was originally shown in 1950, if you can believe it. I was 19 at the time, and I decided to have a go at it. I found this old cupboard that my parents weren't using anymore, and really just with basic tools like a saw and so on, I started to build this. It actually took me 2 years. I didn't work on it every day or anything like that, but I just took it out when I wanted to, and that was my very first miniature, this little doll's house that came out. And there you can see that was all the miniatures I had at that time, so they've grown to be quite a lot. This is the final result, and it was very cute, fun to make. Thanks for watching.